have it up for so long? Why just cook ackee when you can have it as a dessert? Our next guest decided to turn our national fruit into a dessert delicacy. And joining us this morning is self-taught chef from the Sunshine City of Portmore, Ramesh D'Souza. Hey, Ramesh, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me, first of all, how did you come up with the concept to create the ice cream from our national fruit?
Well, I have it in the back of my mind for a longer time, but I first make star apple ice cream and based on that I first ice cream I make. And
Star apple?
Yeah, and based on I make it and thing, I use it as a way of better this. At first, when I make the star apple ice cream, it never come out so good, but this come out.
So what happened with the star apple when it never work, where you apply upon this and it work?
You see for the star apple?
Yes.
I did use, when I make people do the taste, they could hardly taste the star apple, so. You know, so I make the next ice cream, Aki Ice Cream. I use more Aki than the amount of star apple I use.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
So when I make the star apple ice cream, I could hardly identify the star apple. Because they had some cookie. The cookie kind of kill the flavor.
Oh.
So for this now, I just make plain Aki.
Just plain Ackee. So walk me through the process of making it. Because, you know, there are some countries that don't eat Ackee, by the way, because they don't understand how to prepare it. Jamaica people know you have to wait till the Ackee open properly and you have to boil it. And so what do you do with the Ackee?
Yeah, I pre-cook it.
You pre-cook it?
I pre-cook it. When I want it fully cooked, when it toasts off, it soaks too much water. You know, too much water and ice cream. Water and ice cream don't agree, so pre-cook it so you don't soak much water. And blend it out and thing. When you don't soak much water, you know, try to avoid as much ice crystal as possible.
All right, you come from a long line of chefs in your family.
Yeah, I grew up in a restaurant.
You grew up in a restaurant.
Yeah.
And so this is a part of who you are, you know?
This is me.
So what the family say when you come up with the ice cream, Ackee?
Well, at first, family, social media, everybody that say, yo, Aki Ice Cream, brother, man, apologize yourself. You see me? But take your risk same way, do it, I do my research and think.
Yes.
Come up with the world first Aki Ice Cream. They are so for everybody. Try it now.
So what people say about it when you come up with it and you give it to people and them come? Did you try it out with family first or you call your friend them first and say, come taste this?
Family.
Family first.
I try it out with family first. And when everybody tastes it, everybody love it. But at first, everybody is skeptical, you know?
Yeah.
I take a look at being a spoon. You see me? But me eat the most at them time when they say everything's safe and encourage me. I say everything's safe, man. I do my research. I eat it, this and that, blah, blah, and all for myself. Everybody start run with it and is it?
Yeah.
Body like big cup, you know.
Yeah, so, and I tell you before, so I'd call you the singing chef because before this you were doing music.
Yeah.
Yes?
Exactly.
Yeah, so tell me what's going on with the music?
Music, you know, this dancehall thing, I put it down, you know.
Put it down and you start focus on this.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the Aki Ice Cream, guys, and I'm going to have a taste of it.
Yeah.
Clive, I can use these spoons? All right. And which one can I taste this? All right. King David sit up on the heavenly throne. Ain't bad. Lovely jubbly.
Tell them.
The only thing missing now is some breadfruit. No to Sheffield. No spirit. It's not,
Right.
and you
So
actually taste the Ackee in it.
That's what I just, that's what I just ask you.
No, I taste the Ackee. That's why I say all you need is some breadfruit. Yeah, so what do you, I don't want you to give away your secrets. I'm not going to ask no more questions about what's in it.
Yeah.
But you definitely taste the Ackee in it, and it's not, how will I say this now? It's, yes, Clive, it's not overwhelming. You know, taste it and say, lad, what a heap of Ackee. It still has that nice ice cream sweet. Yeah? Yeah, I never thought of blending Ackee with sweet. But this works. This works. So where we're going from here with this, chef?
Well, future. I want my own restaurant, but again, I like to put it on the market. You know? Like we sell it to investors.
Yes.
And share all it. You know?
Yes.
So me can sell it and whoever me sell it to as investors.
Yes.
Them can have it for show say yeah.
Well, you got to make sure you get your legal in place. I'm telling you this now. It's your recipe. So make sure you got all them things in place. So whoever come now and say, We want a partner that come good. Because this is ingenious. I could never have thought of it in a million years. It tastes great. And you know, people love exotic things. I mean, how much time you got to eat vanilla ice cream? You want to eat something different. And I think in terms of the overseas market, people be intrigued by it. So how do we find you? People want to eat the Aki ice cream now because you have it to sell now.
No, I'm not have it to sell now.
Oh.
I'm not have it to sell now.
You're not doing the low scale thing. All right, I'm with you.
Yeah.
But for those who want to support your restaurant and your family stuff, are you on social media?
Yes, so my name is Ramesh D'Souza Chef on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Guys, it's cool. And listen, any investor that grabs this now is a big thing. Big thing. Don't wait. Don't wait till it get big, then you run down Ramesh. Grab him now. And invest in this young, talented, ingenious Jamaican. Nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you. Chef Ramesh D'Souza with the Aki Ice Cream. Man, listen. Yeah. Self-taught. Love it. Coming up next, we're going to discuss the Delta variant and what you need to know to protect yourself. But until such time, we can't eat ice cream for breakfast, right? It must be dinner time, dessert time.